Hello beautiful people, welcome back to our my channel Shining Muscle. Today I am back this new video and we are featuring handsome male model and bodybuilder, fitness athlete, digital creator. His name is Andre. He's a very famous on social media. He's a very big following for Instagram account, 82k followers and 429 posts and picture and real share Instagram account, so go follow him. ID mention is my description. Is a very muscular, handsome and beautiful boy, a personality like in my superhero belong from London and very beautiful six-pack abs, three shoulder with a double physique and muscular and V shape back. Is a very beautiful and attractive. He is all time my favorite, and if you like this video, please share, comment and subscribe my YouTube channel for more amazing interesting icon. Thank you for watching full video. Thank you. Bye bye.